Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We're going to go right into it, guys. We have a lot of information to go through. Okay, so we'll take a look at current positions, current alerts in Forex, Monster Scalper in particular. And then we're going to focus this evening on equities. Okay, so we've got the Christmas rally solid in place. All right, so we'll spend some time on that this evening. Okay, so welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, so let's get right into it. All right, as far as big picture, we want to do that. If we have some time, we might look at big picture, but we know big picture is still intact. So the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, those are all intact right now. All right, as far as the sectors, guys, we see a lot of the sectors are up. All right, so home builders, consumer, energy, services, financials, industrial, tech, all right, consumer staples, utilities, they're all up. Okay, biotech, be careful with biotech and healthcare for right now. Those are down. All right, the Dow, guys, on the daily time frame, which is the time frame we pay attention to. All right, as far as our buy signals, all right, so S&P right here, buy signal is here. We are breaking near-term resistance on the S&P. We're near all-time highs on the S&P. All right, the Dow, same thing here. All right, Dow is right here, and we are breaking resistance on the Dow. All right, so S&P, Dow, and then the NASDAQ. Remember, S&P, NASDAQ, those are large cap stocks. Here is the NASDAQ right here. Today's price action on the NASDAQ, breaking resistance here. All right, all-time highs on the NASDAQ. So these indexes are not only holding, but moving higher, right? Fourth quarter Christmas rally, just perfect timing. They keep moving higher. All right, the IWM, so the Russell small caps, all right, resistance is right here, guys. So we're holding right at resistance on the IWM. So we'll take that, okay? Remember, IWM Russell, that's small caps, so your smaller companies. Most of these will be in Stock Boss, and we'll take a look at Stock Boss this evening. The S&P and the NASDAQ, those are large caps, so mega cap stocks, much like your Mag 7, Magnificent 7, those are in Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro. And the VIX is at 13. So VIX is at 13. We've got real low volatility here on the VIX. All right, so hold on. Real low volatility on the VIX. That's really, really good. All right, so 13 on the VIX. I'll clean this up later. Let's see. Hold on. All right, 1 second here. We're seeing half of the chart here. All right, so much better here. So 1330 here on the VIX, and we're at, look at that, guys, at a support level on the VIX. Remember, low VIX means low volatility, good for stocks, okay? Good for stocks. Current positions. So let's go through current positions, okay? Current positions in Forex, Monster Scalper. All right, we have a lot of alerts here, guys, to go short the yen pairs. If you guys remember, pound yen on the weekly time frame right here, we've got sellers coming in, red candle. So we saw some shorts on the smaller time frame. So pound yen, weekly time frame, sellers are coming in, 2 weeks of selling there in pound yen. And so as we go through the yen pairs, right, you guys will notice what's going on with the pound yen monthly time frame also right here, trading below resistance. All right, so let's go back here. All right, so current positions, short positions in Monster Scalper for Forex in the yen pairs. All right. All right, so no longs. So we do not have any longs currently. Okay, guys. NZD-JPY, NZD-JPY. Hold on. Hold on. All right, NZD-JPY short on the 60-minute time frame. All right, 60-minute time frame here. Good sell short signal here. Now we got a green candle here, so if you wanted to, you could get out. We're going to stay in, all right? So normally you could get out on a green candle here, buy to cover. All right, we'll hold that, okay? All right, so sell short signal is here. What we would like to see, and look at this, guys, great markdown phase, short trend here. Look here. All right, so good short, a decent short trade here. Sold short, buy to cover, sold short, buy to cover, sold short, holding firm here. NZD, JPY short on the 60-minute time frame. All right, CAD yen, next one. So CAD yen, now we are deep in the markdown phase, guys. Current sell short signal is right here. All right, so it's holding. We need to see sellers come on back down, break support right here. CAD yen, 60 minutes. Pound yen, all right, pound yen, sold short right here. Green candle, if you wanted to get out right here, you could. We'll hold it for now. We need sellers to come on back in. If you get another green candle here, certainly close the trade, all right? Price broke support here, sold short and holding. Euro yen, sold short right here and is currently holding. Previous sell short signal did okay right here. All right, this trade here was from last week. Aussie yen, same thing, sold short right here, holding. Let's bring down the sell short signal right here. We need sellers to come on back down, okay? This is on the 60-minute time frame. Aussie yen, Swiss yen, all right, sold short right here. Now this was a previous short from last week. I don't think we called this one here. So if you guys want to take this, right, just know it's dipping the markdown phase, okay? So it's really getting oversold, all right? So hopefully we could see sellers come on back down. Decent trading here with Swiss yen. Dollar yen. All right, sold short signal here, still holding. Let's move this short here. All right, not a bad trade up here. We need sellers to come on back down, break support here. That's dollar yen, HKD, JPY. All right, sold short here, holding right here at support. Need sellers to come on back down. Swiss yen, sold short here. Again, need sellers to come on back down. Decent trading here. SGD JPY right here. All right, really good trading here, guys. All right, let's bring this down. All right, good markdown phase. All right, redistribution all through here. Sold short here on a break of support. Buy to cover. Sold short here. Really good trade. And we've got white candles here. And if you guys notice, what we would like to see right in here, right, sold short white candles here, sellers came back in. Here, white candles, sellers came back in. White candles here, we need sellers to come on back in and hopefully break support right here, okay? That's SGD JPY. TRY JPY, the last one here on the 60-minute, same thing here, guys. All right, so sold short here, white candles, we need sellers to come on back down and break through that support. All right. On the 240-minute time frame, so the 4-hour chart, let's take a look. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, we do have some shorts. And hopefully these are holding. These should hold fairly well. Let's see. All right, Aussie Swiss. We'll start with Aussie Swiss. So short here, buy to cover. Close the trade, please. Aussie Swiss. All right. CAD Yen. CAD Yen, guys, great trade here. So short here. Broke through our first target right here. We're looking for a bigger trade all the way down here. All right. And you guys saw a big picture here on Pound Yen. All right. Sellers are coming in. Support here, Pound Yen, all the way down here. This will help the yen pairs. Okay. All right. So CAD Yen. So short here. Holding next target all the way down here. CAD Yen, New Zealand Yen, same thing. So short here, guys. Big move lower for lots of pips. Our next support area is all the way down here. Hopefully it makes it down there. Okay. New Zealand Yen, Pound Yen. All right. Great trade here, guys. Pound Yen, so short signal here. All right, trading all the way down here. I think we got out about here. I think we got in right about here. All right, and we got support all the way down here. Great short. So these yen pairs are short, guys. Be careful going long. We shouldn't be long. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. So short here on a break of support right here. All right, good price action. Moving lower. Target is all the way down here. That's for, if that happens, guys, that's for, boy, almost 900 pips, okay? HKD JPY, same thing here, right? So short right here. This is under 240 now, right here. So short, all red candles. We're in the markdown phase. Nothing to do there. All right, just let it keep coming down. All right, support all the way down here. Euro yen. Look at Euro yen, guys. So sell short signal here. Got back in about here, right in here somewhere. Good trade going here. Markdown phase, purple support and resistance, and it's near its target here. So we'll wait to see how it reacts to support down in here. If it breaks to support, we could see another leg down. Okay, so Euro yen, great trade going there. Aussie yens, all right, another good trade. Aussie yen, so short signal here. On a break off, don't be lazy like me. Bring in your lines, your support lines, and your resistance lines. All right. All right. So short here. Right. Here's your arrow right here on the break of support. Good trade going here. Support, further support all the way down here. This could be your target. Okay. ZAR yen. Same thing here. All right. So short right here, your target on this one, you have some near-term support right here. All right, so near-term support right here, guys. And then we've got further support. Let's bring that up right about here. So ZAR yen, and we call Swiss yen. All right, so on the 240, guys, that's the trade. All right, best trade right now. No, it's too late to get in. Those trades have been moving for quite some time now, okay? So too late, but great trading on the 240 in the yen pairs, okay? Now, Forex Dominator, like we've been talking about Forex Dominator, finally getting some trades in Forex Dominator on both the long side and on the short side, okay? So let's go through those. On the long side, we've got some dollar pairs that are long, okay? On the daily time frame, in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look. And we'll be sure to spend some time on equities. All right, so USD HUF, guys. USD HUF, big trade going here. USD HUF buy signal here. All right, broke resistance. Look at this, amazing trading here, guys. Lots of pips here, and it's broken this resistance, further resistance is all the way up here. Amazing trade. USD HUF. Don't you wish all of them move like this? Great trading here. USD HUF. Okay. Dollar ZAR. Dollar ZAR. Buy signal is here. Still holding firm. Very choppy in here. But it is holding. We need it to keep moving higher in the markup phase. Okay. USD SGD. All right. Really good markdown phase. Buy signal. Moving up nicely. Heavy resistance here. We'll see how it reacts as it gets to that resistance here. It's had a bit of a pullback, but still holding firm. We need USD, SGD to break through that resistance right here. Dollar Swiss. All right, so dollar Swiss, good markdown phase. This is a range trade, but we're looking to break through that resistance here. Buy signal right here. Here's your markdown, buy signal, beautiful setup. All right, all green candles, we're moving higher, need to break through that resistance here. Okay, those of you who got into these trades, good job. USD DKK, buy signal here, got past sellers here, broke through that resistance, and here we are at the second resistance, but boy, it's just really consolidating here. Purple support and resistance. So if you got into this trade, this is one where you might want to just take some profits there. USD CNH, buy signal here, good markdown phase. And look here, guys, good price action. Big candles came in here. All right. This was Friday. When was Thanksgiving? I forgot now. Yeah, Friday. Thursday was Thanksgiving. Market was open on Friday, Monday, and then current here, looking to break through that resistance. USD, CNH, all right, good markdown phase, all right, strong resistance here, but looks like we'll break through that resistance. USD, CNH, great trade there. USD, DKK, buy signal here, we're breaking out. Guys, some of these I might go through twice because they're moving so fast, all right. And my brain doesn't work as fast anymore. Okay, so these are moving fast. So if I call them out, all right, twice, don't worry about it. Okay, USD PLN, buy signal here, good pullback here. We're looking to break through that resistance there. USD NOK, all right, buy signal here, right? We have resistance right here, all right, buy signal here. And we need to break the resistance. Lots of selling right here. Look at that. Very strong resistance here. Here is your support. So it needs to break through that resistance here. Okay, USD NOK. USD SEK. And we'll take a look at the dollar index. Same thing. USD SEK. Getting ready to break through that resistance. Now, you guys notice here, lots of resistance on several of these trades, okay? If it breaks through, we could see big buyers come in, all right, if that happens. Dollar CAD, last one here, buy signal here, got past resistance here. So really got past sellers here, right here, here, and here, and we are breaking out, okay? On the daily time frame in Forex Dominator. The dollar index, before we get to the short positions, dollar index is currently down, but you guys see here, the dollar index is also breaking resistance right here. Here we are right here. That should help your dollar pairs. The yen pair is short, and then we'll be done with Forex, okay? For the moment. All right, short positions in Forex Dominator. All right, so we've got some yen shorts. Notice we trade the groups, okay? So long the dollar, short the yen, right? We don't trade these pairs in isolation, right? Try to follow the bigger moves, all right? All right, SGD JPY. So short here, holding firm. Support is right here. Next support here. So short signal right here, moving down nicely. Okay, pretty good support here and here. SGD JPY. Swiss yen. All right, so short here. We've got support here, which could be your target. So your first target would be right about here. It's getting close to that target. Next target on the daily time frame. Remember that, okay? So we just don't trade any time frame, right? All right, next target all the way down. There's Swiss yen. Aussie yen. Aussie yen, so short, target here. First target here. Next target all the way down here. If you want to frame the trade, here is, right, markdown phase coming in here. All right, that is Aussie yen. Euro yen, same thing. So short right here. Support is right here. And then we have further support down here, guys, right here. Support, support. We can actually count this right here, right here. Here we are. We break through this, right? Next target all the way down here would be a beautiful trade. New Zealand yen, same thing. So short here, moving down nicely, slowly moving down. Support is here, here, here. Here we are. Goal is to break through, make another leg down. CAD yen, same thing. So short right here. All right. Support is here. All right. They're all doing the same thing. Support is here, 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 here. All right. Breaks through. That's the goal. Next target here. No guarantees. Right. We just follow the price action. If it changes, right, we get out. We have a lot of equity positions, stock positions. Okay, so we'll go through those. We took a look at the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. So we have buy signal and the Russell. We have buy signals on all of the indexes. We have a lot of buy-in in the sectors. And most importantly, also the VIX right here is low. 13 is low, guys, on the VIX. So we have low volatility. Equity markets love it when the volatility is low. Okay, so current positions, we're going to spend some time in this area here. All right, so current positions in stock boss. So stock boss is right here. We're going to bring this here. And stock boss, these are small cap stocks, and these stocks will follow the Russell or the IWM. Okay, the IWM. All right, let's go through this quickly. If we get hold on here. If we get a red candle, guys, we'll close the trade. We shouldn't get a lot of those, okay? Because buyers are still in control. So red candles will close the trade. White candle will hold. White arrow will close the trade. So white arrow right here, that's our sell signal. All right, red candle, we'll treat that as a sell signal. White candle here, that's neutral, will continue to wait. Okay, let's go through these. The symbols will be right here, and these are on a daily time frame. Okay, symbols will be right here, daily time frame, and we're looking at the current price action right in here, and we're looking for green. If it's green, right, they're still buying, and we can hold. All right. All right. And we've got time here. Okay. We've got 30 minutes. We'll get through these. We've got Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and Bullmaster Pro. Okay. All right. So ACDC holding all green candles there. All right. AKBA, guys. Green candles there. We are holding. AMLX, white candle there, we are holding. Green candles there, API. All right, ATUS, buy signal was here on a break of resistance at 217. Broke support at 232, closed the trade. Sell signal right here, closed the trade. ATUS, and we have a down here, so we know it's struggling right now, okay? So close that trade, please. AUPH, holding all green candles. There, BARK, that's holding, okay? That's holding. BZFD. CAN, guys, good trade going there. All green candles. CDXC, good, that's holding. COMP, I won't go through all of these. All right. CTOS holding, good price action. DOUG holding there. EXFY, that's holding, good trade. FFWM holding firm. Look at GBTG, guys. Good trade going there. Reaccumulation. GENI, that's holding nicely. All green candles. That's all we're looking for right now. GNW holding. GSAT, GSAT, good candles today. Good buyers there. HBI, good. All right, we should see mostly green candles, guys. All right, because market is bullish. Christmas rally is holding firm. If things change, we'll know. MCW holding. MDXG, nice price action there. MNKD give a sell signal. So sellers came in. So our buy signal was here on a break of this resistance here at 602. Sellers came in, red candle, broke support, white arrow here. Sell signal came in at 662. Close the trade, please. Okay. All right. MNKD. Close the trade, please. Hey, Charity, welcome. Charity, welcome, welcome. All right, next one here. MVST, buy signal here, guys. Nice break. Look at that. Big candles came in today. The buy signal, look, oh, great trade here. The buy signal was at 47 cents. All right, close today at $1.41 in stock boss. Great trade going there. We'll let it continue to run. All right, NAK, that's holding. NEXT holding firm. NYDY, right, holding firm there. OIS, green candles holding. PBI holding firm. PDYN holding. And this is what we want, right? Fourth quarter, we're in December, Christmas rally. Now, a lot of these guys we've been in since October, November. All right. So you see here, October, November, right? All of your buying for the fourth quarter, Christmas rally usually starts in October. Okay. So that's exactly what we want. That selling came in September. October started that buying. And then here we are. Okay. So PLBY, good trade going there. POET holding firm there. PRCH, good trade going here, guys. The buy signal on this one here was 176, trading at close today. Look at this. Big buyers came into here today. Big candle, closed at 561. Great trade. Remember, these are small caps, okay? All right. Small caps. The Russell, we use the Russell as the index to track these. All right. The IWM. RGTI, all right, buy signal here was at 95 cents, trading at 314. Great trade there, okay? So continue to hold that. We will. SFIX holding. SLQT holding. Now, these are all the sectors, guys. Most of these might be tech. All right, STKL holding. SUPV, good trade going here. Look at that price action. Talk, look at Talk. Looks good. UIS looks good. And ULCC, that closed, okay? So closed last week. Our buy signal, was 440, guys. Big red candle came in, broke support, red candle, sell signal, your white arrow here. So close the trade, please. ULCC. So out of all of these stocks, we've only closed a few here in stock boss. Okay, that's holding firm there. VUZI, that's holding firm. Good price action there. Right, ZV RA, that's holding. And that's it. We have this a few times here. All right, so not bad, guys. Out of all of these stocks in Stock Boss, we only closed what? We got rid of what? 3 or 4? Okay, not bad. All right, Bull Master. So these are your large cap stocks, okay? Large cap stocks, your mega cap. Some of your Magnificent 7 stocks will fall into this category. Most of these will be your, will come through your S&P and the NASDAQ, okay? S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. All right, hold on. All right, so these are your more expensive stocks. Not necessarily more expensive, but your bigger companies, larger companies, okay? All right, and we'll go through these quickly here. We have a lot here with these. So these are your large cap stocks. Again, we need the S&P and NASDAQ to be holding firm or moving higher for these stocks to perform well. Most of these stocks, unlike Stock Boss that we just looked at, where they're coming out of the markdown phase, getting into the markup phase, most of these stocks in Bull Master will come out of reaccumulation. So generally we're in the trend and we have new buyers coming in. Okay, just like here, ACIW. So we're in the markup phase, we're in the uptrend. All right, so you look here. So we're following the bigger trend, right? So we're trend following the trend, and we are in the markup phase. But within the markup phase, we have several buy signals, okay? So we have the buy signal here, sold here, 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 and now we have a current buy signal, okay? So that's the way we trade these. Most of these are stronger stocks, all right? And they're in the, right, markup phase in the trend, and we're looking to continue trading, all right, this stock. So ACIW, buy signal here, holding firm. Next one, AFRM, good price action there, nothing to do there. AMSC, holding. We want all green candles, guys. All right, AROC, all green candles, they're holding. Those are buyers, all right? Those are buyers. So all green candles, they're holding. AX, that's holding there. AZEX, right? Getting ready to break new resistance level right here. Buy signal was here. Good trade go setting up there. All right, holding there. All right, that's holding. Holding, good recovery there. CCL, look at that, guys. Buy signal was all the way down here at 1886, trading at $26. All right, good price action. All right, let it run. All right, all green candles holding there. That's holding. All right, CLS. Perfect reaccumulation trade, guys. All right, so here's your markup phase. Look at that. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here by the system. All right, buy signal here, breaking resistance, great trade here. All right, buy signal here, all the way here. All right, good trade going here. That buy signal, last buy signal came in at 57, guys, trading at 89. That buy signal came in perfect timing right in October, right here for the fourth quarter run. Okay. All right. CNK, buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right. Here's your previous trades here. Okay. All right. CNX, holding firm. CROZ, holding. All right. CRDO, great trade here, guys. Buy signal came in on a break of resistance, reaccumulation at $36, trading at $70. Look at that. Look at the gap up today, guys. Big gap up. Isn't this nice? You wake up and it gaps up like this. All right. Sometimes they gap down too. All right. But we love them when they gap up. CRS, nicely done in the markup phase. So bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. New buy signal came in right at the end of September there, getting in October. Most recent buy signal came in right here, end of October. Red candle, got back in on a break of resistance here and is holding. Good trade going there. Good trade going here. CUK. You guys see the theme, what's going on here, right? So we know we have buy signals on these indexes. The VIX is low, all right? The sectors are moving, so these stocks are moving, okay? We don't trade these stocks by themselves. We follow the indexes, pay attention to the VIX, and then the stock is last. Buy signal here, all right? Nice price action, keeps moving higher, all right? DAL, buy signal here, look at that. All right, no accident that these stocks are moving, okay, guys? DDO, all right, DECK, nice price action. EAT, guys, really great trade here. Reaccumulation, most recent buy signal was at $71 right here. Here we are, 129, great trade here, all right? All right, holding. Good trade going there, holding. Great trade here. FTAI. Great trade here. Nicely done in the markup phase. Look at that, guys. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Current buy signal holding. Amazing trade there. Okay. Amazing trade in there. FVRR. All right, fiber buy signal here, breaking resistance, all green candles. Most of these guys, buyers are in these. Big institutions, big hedge funds are in these, okay? Now this is a little different trade here. We coming out of the markdown phase, buy signal, getting into the markup phase. These are the type of trades we'll see in Stock Boss, okay? We don't want these in Bullmaster, right? We want in Bullmaster, we want to see reaccumulation trades, okay? But we'll take it. All right, reaccumulation trade, bought here, sold here, bought here, currently holding. All right, all green candles here. Okay, too late to get on, guys. Most of these, they've gone already. They took off already, okay? Don't chase these. GM, buy signal here, red candle. We need buyers to come on back in, okay? Now, we are a long ways. We still have a lot here. All right. All right. GRMN, that's holding. GBLB, GTLB, yes. Okay. INOD, that's holding. Good trade going here. That's good. IP, that's good. KD, that's good. LC, that's good. That's good. LRN, guys, look at that price action. All right, pay attention to that price action here. Okay, good price action, good trade going there. MDU, good trade going. And notice, guys, all of these are up. Look at this. The majority of these are up. We have one down here. So the majority of these trades are up. All right. All right. So not only the price action moving up in the markup phase, reaccumulation, but we can see here that they're buying them. Okay. All right. That's up. Marvel. Good. All right. OKLO, guys. White candle here. All right. Keep an eye on that. Purple support and resistance. So it might be getting overbought here. Buy signal was here on a break of this resistance at 928. Holding at 2013. Definitely keep an eye on it. We need that to hold there. All right, good price action, moving higher there. All green candles. OWL, white candles, keep an eye on it. PEGA, holding. 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 Nice trade here. PX, guys. Nice breakout. Look at that price action there. All right, markdown phase. We don't like those as much there in this system. That's good price action. Now, Royal Caribbean. We've been talking about Royal Caribbean. Had it for a while now. Since the end of September, coming right into October right here. Here was the buy signal here. Buy signal came in at 172. All right, trading at 245, guys. Great trade here, okay? All right, holding. We're halfway there. All right, holding. All green candles, what we want to see. The symbol is here. Okay, so if I don't call the symbol, just see the symbol here. And we want to see, right, good price action there. Okay, all green candles there. All right, holding. TILE, good price action. All right, guys, they're buying just about everything here. This is what happened when we have a bullish market. All right, it's not always like this, but especially in fourth quarter, Christmas rally is what we're seeing here. TTMI, all right, TVTX, UNFI, look at that. UPST, all right, look at that. VIRT, great trading, guys. All right, WFC, UPF, look at UPF here. UPF, guys. I notice all of these are up. Buy signal here at $24, guys. That came in right in October. What's that? October the 11th. Okay. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Here is your resistance here. All right. Right in here. Buy signal. Look at that. Great trade going there. All right, Z looks good. All green candles there. Holding. ADMA, white candles there. Struggling. Keep an eye on that one there. All right, holding. Breaking out. We want them to hold or break out, okay? CORT. Looks good. CRK looks good. CRS, guys, looks good. Looks good. DEC looks good. EXTR, that's a fairly new one here. Buy signal was here, holding firm right here. FOUR looks good. All right. GameStop, GME. All right. Just hold in there for now. All green candles, though. All right. MP, nice gap up today, guys. All right. Reaccumulation. First trade came in here. Markdown, markup. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance right here. Closed here, new buy signal on a break of this resistance, gapped up, good trade going there. The buy signal on this one, guys, came in right at 20.63, all right, and trading at 23 and change. All right, almost done with Bullmaster there. Lots of opportunities, lots of trades, guys. All right, ONON, breaking resistance. PX, RSI, not the indicator, all right? RSI, break of resistance was right here, 1162, trading at 1463. Great trade there. Almost done. 10 minutes, we'll be done. All right, holding. So guys, that's the TILE, buy signal here, big candles, holding. And then Toll Brothers, buy signal here, holding firm for right now. And UGI, look at UGI, guys. I showed this to one of our new traders. We're doing some coaching today. And look at this resistance here, big resistance here, support right here. Look at the break. All right, big break of that resistance. Good trade going there, UGI. All right, moving higher and holding. That's what's Walmart, holding firm there. Okay, so great price action. A few we had to remove, but lots of symbols, alerts that we've sent out with these. And I would say a good 95, 99% are holding firm, which is what we want to see. Even if we don't trade, there's no way we can trade all of these, right? So you find, you find the ones that it's too late for most of these, but we still pay attention to all of these because they'll let us know the direction that things are moving. Okay, so just because you don't trade it, doesn't mean you can't learn from how to trade them. All right, the last equity system is Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Okay, so this is like Bullmaster, but we have fundamentals built into these stocks. Most of these are your better stocks, okay? Because they've got fundamentals. Now, just because we've got the fundamentals, the data, doesn't mean that there's a guarantee that they're going to move higher. We've seen stocks in Stock Boss and Bullmaster move better than some of these stocks here, all right? All right, the first one is Amazon, guys. Buy signal was here, red candle, got back in, moving up nicely right now. Amazon looks really, really good. All right, ARIS, buy signal came in at 18 on a break of this resistance, trading at 27 there, okay? All right, holding, good price action here. Carver is stalling for right now. So Carver, guys, buy signal came in on Carver. Where was it? So Carver buy signal came in right at 97. This is not a bad trade, guys. Really nice trade. Trading at 141. Good trade going there. All right. All green candles, nothing to do. All right. COOP, that's holding there for now. White candle, keep an eye on it. That's holding. ERJ, white candle, keep an eye on it. Choppy trading there. FIX, also choppy trading, consolidation in here. But right now, buy signal here, right? Breaking out nicely there. HWM, buy signal here, and it's been trading fairly well in the markup phase. Okay, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy the system, buy signal here, breaking resistance here at 119. Good trading here, and it loves to gap up. So look here. So that buy signal, pay attention to how the system trades these stocks. Okay, so gapped up here, gapped up in the morning, buy signal here. Look at this. That's one. Second one, gapped up in the morning, buy signal here. That's two. Very strong stock. And then the third one gapped up in the morning here, buy signal here. So 1, 2, 3, and look what happens when they gap up, right? They move higher. So lots of buying. All right. So 1, 2, 3. Third one here, getting ready to break through resistance right here. Great trading right here. Buy signal 111, trading at 119. HWM, and again, these have fundamentals with them. Okay, so good earnings, all of that stuff. All right, holding from there. All right, LRN gapped up, buy signal here, gapped up here, strong, right? Shows strength and didn't fill the gap. Buy signal here, good price action there. And NVIDIA, guys, NVIDIA gave a sell signal. That's too bad. If it comes back in, give a buy signal. We'll take a look at that. And Charity, you had a couple of positions, which I think was S. Charity, go ahead and put in, if you don't mind, the two symbols you wanted me to take a look at so I can analyze those, and then we'll be done. Okay, so just put them in the chat for me, please. So NVIDIA, guys, buy signal here. So that buy signal came in at 130. All right, 130. So sell signal at 130, 131. Same sales, same price right here. Okay, NVIDIA. All right, SF. All right, so SF, guys, holding firm. All right, holding firm there. SF. All right, 1 second here. All right, so SF and then SLM. All right, buy signal here, holding firm, and VRT, buy signal here, holding firm there. Okay, so we don't have as much in Bullmaster Pro. We don't have a lot of traders on Bullmaster Pro. But we do have tons of traders in Stock Boss and in Bullmaster. Okay, Charity. Okay, all right. So SMCI and ASML. All right, ASML. Okay, let's take a quick look. Now I'm going to analyze these. I'll analyze these first on the daily time frame, and then perhaps the why don't you let me know? I'll analyze it on the daily time frame, Charity, but you can also let me know what time frame you're looking to trade it on. Okay, but I'll analyze it on the. Let's do this. Let's look at all the time frames. Okay. So SMCI, okay, SMCI. Okay, so on the daily time frame, it's not quite ready yet, okay, but boy, it is setting up nicely. All right, so we have support, fairly decent support. This on the daily time frame, SMCI. All right, so on the daily time frame, we have support. So all the way back here, 2023, October of 2023, October, November 2023, we had support. Here, current support is right here. Now look what happened right in December 12/19 of last year, it started moving. All right, so Charity, notice that, right? Right. December of last year, 2023, right here is when it starts really moving, give a buy signal here. See, December, right here, last year. This is 2024 here. So it made its run up, So markup phase, mark down, all right? It's accumulating here. We have buyers coming in, okay? Buyers coming in, green candles. So if we get another buy signal, the hope is no guarantees, right? If it fails, guess what? We just get out, try again, all right? So previous buy signal came in right here at 31. It ran up, gave a sell signal all the way up at 87. So the goal would be this. Buyers are coming in here, mark down, accumulation, right? It's breaking some resistance here. Now, the resistance where it might give you a buy signal would be right about here. And the goal then would be to ride it all the way, see if we can ride it all the way back up here. All right, so chart, if you're trading it on if you're looking at the daily time frame, boy, that is setting up nicely. You see what's happening here? All right, on the 240, on the 240-minute time frame, let's take a look. And we'll be done shortly, guys. So on the 240-minute time frame, let's bring that in. But I like the daily. I really like how that daily time frame is setting up. Charity. All right, on the 240, all right, so it's pending data here. On the 240, here is your markdown. Okay, markup, and we do have a buy signal here. So we do have a buy signal here on the 240. Okay, on the monthly and weekly. All right, so let's take a look at the monthly. On the monthly time frame, it doesn't give us much on the monthly. All right, so it came from a high of around 121, fell to $18, but that's not giving us much yet. Not giving us much direction there. On the weekly, sellers are definitely on the weekly. Okay, so that is a concern, right? We have all red candles here on the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily again. So notice here, right, this could keep going lower on the weekly here. All right, so on the weekly, we have some support right about here, but sellers could come on back down. All right, come on back down and break through here. But notice here on the weekly, all red candles. That is not good. That is absolutely not good. All right, and we don't have any direction on the monthly. If you take a look at the daily here, all right, so we do have support here. What could happen is we could get further. Price could make another leg down based on that weekly time frame. Okay, so we have further support all the way down. So what we could see, because we have a lot of sellers there on that weekly time frame. So what we could see is that sellers come on back down just like they did here, all right, and push the price lower. So boy, I would definitely wait for a buy signal, and then perhaps the 240 to strengthen. Okay, on the 60-minute time frame, it's nicely in the markup phase. So mark down, mark up. First trade did well. Second trade is right here. Okay, so Charity, what you could do, just trade it on the smaller time frames. But that daily, I would be concerned with the daily time frame right here. Okay, now you do have support right here. All right, but boy, it could come lower for that next support level. And on the 240, let's take a look here again. On the 240, promise I'm almost done here. On the 240 here, We do have some buying on the 240 here. Okay. All right. So mark down, mark up, fairly new buy signal there. So the 240 weekly, that might be the best trading window. Be careful with the daily. All right, so SMCI and then ASML. So ASML, and then we'll be done. All right, so on ASML, as far as the sector, everything is moving right now, so I don't think we have to be really concerned with the sector. Almost identical, all right, Charity. Almost identical setup, okay? So previous buy signal came in November of last year, and we found pretty good support. Support here, further support here. Buy signal came in right here last year, and here we are, buyers are coming in, but again, all right, we could see just like here where it failed, we could see this fail again. Okay, so no buy signal yet. Definitely wait for a buy signal. On the monthly time frame, well, let's do weekly. Weekly sellers, lots of sellers here on the weekly. Okay, so be aware of that. We it's trying to hold support here, okay, but all red candles, that's not good. The only thing that's encouraging here is that we have yellow support and resistance there. So that's encouraging. Monthly time frame. All right. On the monthly time frame, the only thing we have here on the monthly is we do have a trend line that could hold the price. Okay. So we have a trend line right in here. Upward trend line here. Okay, so here we got a bounce here. So the hope is that we bounce here and keep moving higher. But we're not trending on this. If you bring this here, all right, so look here, we kind of caught between here. Look here. Okay, so if we bring in a support line here, we're really trading within support and resistance here, right about. Let's bring that here. The nice thing, we have a trend line here, upward trend line. We get a red candle here that would move higher, but this is the monthly time frame. All right, so quick look back at the daily. And then all we'll do is the 60-minute, and then we'll be done. So daily, here buyers are coming in on the daily way too early to get in on the daily. No buy signal like here. 60-minute time frame. I'm sure we've got better price action on the 60. Yes, we do. All right, so markdown phase, right? Buy signal here, and it's holding firm. I would just be careful with these, Charity. I would like to see more buyers coming on that daily time frame. At least get a buy signal on the daily time frame, okay? Because sellers could come in anytime, okay? Push the price lower. Hope that helps, okay, Charity? Hope that helps you. And great to see you on here. All right. All right, guys. You have a great evening. We went over a bit, okay? But stocks are still performing well. All right. Stocks are still performing well. Indexes are holding. Sectors are holding. VIX is lower. All right. So the VIX is down. That's good. Okay. And the dollar is holding, moving higher. All right. Forex, just remember, guys, long the dollar. We are long the dollar right now. And then we are short the yen pairs. Okay. As far as volatility on the daily time frame, all right, in Forex, we got good volatility on the daily. All right. Decent volatility on the 240. Boy, the 60-minute, we're consolidating. Okay, so we're starting to consolidate. All that red here on the 60, we're consolidating. Okay, so try to stick with the group. All right, so yen and dollar pairs. Okay. All right. All right, Charity. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, guys. Take care. I'll see you all on Thursday. Good trading. Okay. All right.